on.
Just a little brief.
Hello.
Intro.
Testing, testing. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello. 1, 2, 1, 2. Brief bit of info. Fucking hell. Can you not zoom in on the hooter? So we got this Ford Transit, which is the, whatever they call it, Tourneo. Tourneo, like it's one of them. They're Devonshire transits. It's a Tourneo. Got it in from another garage that doesn't do welding, so they've given us a shout. It's failed the MOT on a couple of patches of welding. Up in the rear cross member by the spring hanger, normal place for Transit. Front spring hanger, again normal. Well, Transit, they rust everywhere. So we've got it on the ramp. We're going to clean it up, get it welded, get it back to the customer. They can MOT it, do whatever mechanical work, and yeah, get paid hopefully. Happy days. We're going to use our awesome DeWalt brushless 54 volt cordless angle grinder. Oh yeah! Great bit of kit. Nice. Perform, protect and all that and everything. Really good bit of kit, to be fair. Bit big and bulky, but it does do the job.
Which is more than what the mechanic does.
Says you sat there on your ass doing.
I've got nothing to do.
Clean it up.
Oh, it's Transit.
And we're going to use the goggles and set to it. For those of you who know me, I only use goggles as opposed to the full face mask because I struggle getting one big enough to fit over my Utah. Thought I'd say it before somebody else did. The worst thing about all this, I booked this in today in the hope that, you know, I could sit down, do nothing and Reg would do all the work. Unfortunately, she's been called on site working for another company, so I've got to do it. Thanks, Reg. So we've got nice little rusty old MOT failure. So what we've done is we've ground it right back, so we've got some got a nice bit of clean metal to weld to, which is difficult on a Transit, but we found some. Nice bit of flat tin, bit of cut off that we've got, which we'll trim up so it goes around in where it needs to go. So yeah, I'm going to shut up and start cutting. It's now solid and MOTable. Finish it off with a little bit of seam seal around the edges and some nice wax oil to protect it. That bit will last for ages. The rest around it will probably fall apart by next year.